Hello, salam. Salam means hello in Amharic. My name is Radit. I am from Ethiopia. I am an online Amharic teacher with 5 years of experience helping students from all over the world. So, whether you are a beginner or want to practice conversation, I can help you learn in a fun and comfortable way. In our lessons, we will focus on your goals, whether it is grammar, vocabulary, or real life conversation practices. I love teaching Amharic and sharing Ethiopian culture. So don't worry if you are just starting, because I will guide you step by step with specially prepared lessons at your level. So I look forward to meet you in class. Book a trial class today and let's start learning Amharic together. Thank you. Bye.